Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gadget Shows View. Today we are diving into the Apple iPad M2 11-inch. Is this latest tablet a worthy update? Let's find out. The iPad M2 11-inch maintains the sleek and familiar design we have come to expect from Apple. It's incredible, portable and lightweight, making it easy to take it anywhere. The display is a standout feature, offering vibrant colors and excellent details. Under the hood, the M2 chip delivers a significant performance boost over its predecessors. We have seen impressive improvements in multitasking, app launches, and demanding tasks like video editing. It's a powerful tablet that can handle most tasks with ease. Let's check out this game and see how the experience of playing a video game on the iPad. You have two options to play a video game. Either you can use a control on the touchscreen or you can use your iPad to control the car. Let's select the controls on the screen to play this game. Wow, the graphics of this game looks real. The graphics of the game is sharp and clear. Let's start playing it. The controls are seamless to use to control the car. I really like this game. Let's check out the image quality by going to the gallery and check out the resolution. These images were either taken from the iPad or the iPhone. These images are sharp, clear, and there's no noise in the picture. The camera system on the iPad M2 11-inch is a solid performer, capturing detailed photos and videos. While it's not as advanced as the cameras found on iPhones, it's more than capable for everyday use. Battery life is another area where iPad M2 excels. You can expect to get a full day use of it, even with heavy usage. The fast charging capabilities also ensure you are never left waiting too long for a top-up. Let's test the laptop by playing a video from YouTube and check out the display quality. I tested the resolution by playing the video in 4K, 2K, and 1080p. The resolution looked amazing in all three levels. The sound quality of the iPad is also great because it uses stereo speakers on both sides of the iPad. iPadOS continues to evolve, bring new features and improvement to iPad experience. From multitasking to Apple Pencil support, there's a lot to love about the software. And with the wide range of accessories available, you can customize your iPad M2 to suit your needs. The iPad M2 is a fantastic tablet that offers a blend of performance, portability, adaptability. Whether you're a student, professional, or a casual user, it's a great choice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video for more tech reviews.